What are you making?
A boat.
You making a boat?
Yes.
Okay.
There it goes. Uh-oh. There you go.
Alright, do your puzzle. When you finish, you call me.
Okay. Gosh. Dasha. Help me. Help me.
Can I do it by yourself?
Help me.
Help you?
Yes.
It's not my puzzle, it's your puzzle.
Just help me right here.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do the yellow part.
Okay. Over top. That's the over top area part.
My fingers are too big. Hmm? My fingers are too big. Hurry up, I'm almost done. How long are the white ones are
A piece is white.
for? Don't shift it. I'm gonna shift.
I'm doing a red one.
Doing the red one?
Yes. Going down.
Alright.
Right here.
Cristiano.
Yeah.
My fingers are too big.
Hmm?
My fingers are too big. See, I got that part done for you. There. It's for tiny hands like yours. My fingers are too big. No, finish it. Take your time and finish it. I'm going back in the kitchen. Finish it. When you finish, call me. Okay?
Just help me.
You want me to help you or you want me to keep you company? Which one?
Just help me. My red teeth. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I'm trying. is yours. Did you get this part in there?
Yep.
You got this white part in there?
Yep.
So where is it?
Let's get in there.
Not that. This piece, this tool. Did you get this tool in it?
Yes.
Where is it? In the car? Very naughty. No, we're not. We don't remember we're making a boat. We don't have stuff in there. We have a boat. See? Oh.
I did it.
It's not a okay, start on the black one. Start right on the white. I'm gonna give it back. So when I leave it, you got in the kitchen to do what I have to do. Christian, you know what we forgot to get? We forgot to get
Iron.
huh?
It's iron to make it dry.
No, we're going to iron it and melt it and make it shape like a boat. Make it into a real toy boat.
And make it float in the water.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
It's going to float.
It's going to float.
Yes.
You think it's going to float?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Need a mega treasure. Yes.
Come, hurry up.
You have no blue.
Put in the rest of the black in the row, in this row, so we can iron it. We're going to get in the iron.
Okay. You have it?
Just go on and tell you.
Okay. Good job.
Hurry up.
Good. Very good. Eh,
Don't mess it up. Just use the tweezers and put them in. You're messing it up. Use the tweezers, Christian. Your fingers are too big.
There you go.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Just put it in the white part.
So you have, how many you have to go?
Got
That's not lost. You have about 3 more.
yes.
Go.
There you go. Yes.
You have 2 more.
I have 5 pieces of board.
Wait, you have to do the blood first and the seal first, and then you do the bottom. Gently spread this on top of it like that. Gently. Gently. Thank you, sir. You make it shift because you saw. Leave it. Sit. No. And leave it. Yes, I'll do it. Keep that there. Don't touch it. I'll put the iron on it. Turn on the. Alright. Let's count again. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Go.
Let's count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1. What's that?
Oh, this one's. Alright, where's it go? Oh. Yeah, let's flip it over. Yeah, this one came out nice. But it's kind of hot. Ow, 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 ow. It's kind of hot. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's see the instructions. Alright. It's hot, Christian, don't touch it. You're hot? Hold on.
That one here is cool on.
How are we going to do it? I don't understand how to do this part.
It's not hot.
Let's see. Get that. I need the iron. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Don't touch it. You moved it. Why did you move it? No, you shift it. Alright. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't think anything is going to happen, but be careful. I don't think anything is going to happen. Ouch!
Chloe.
Put down the scissors. Put it down, please. Thank you.
And piece of box.
What?
And pieces of box.
You're annoying.
It's me. It's me. And again.
It's not sticking together. Why is it not sticking together?